This is a ELECTROWELD brand 3KVA high precision table mounted spot welding machine for welding SS and MS components from 0.5 to 1.5 mm thick. We'll show you the parts. This over here is a microcontroller. This is the on-off switch over here. Then here we have chromium, zirconium, copper spot welding electrodes. This here is the weld initiating limit switch. On this side we have a secondary taps. It's a common. This is low current, medium current and high current. Similarly we have current selector switch over here. This also can be varied from number 1 tap to number 6. At the bottom we have the foot pedal for welding the jobs like this. Here we have the tension spring for providing the pressure for welding. Now we'll show you the working of the microcontroller. This is a lock and unlock key. Now when we want to set the parameters, we can set for different schedules different parameters for different thicknesses. Now we'll press this schedule button. See the S02 showing. It means the schedule number 2. We can make it minus and bring to schedule number 1. Now this again make it off. Go to program. This schedule number 1 we have selected for welding 0.5 plus 0.5 mm thick MS and SS components. By entering over here, you can keep on setting the parameters. Now, when you come to weld 2, this is a weld timing that you can keep. You can make it less or more depending upon the parameters required for welding. Next is the heat percentage. This we have kept about 35% for 0.5 plus 0.5 thick components. This also can be increased or decreased depending upon the weld quality that you want. Then again you enter, make all 0, 0, 0 till you come to the forge time. This we have kept 10 cycles. Similarly you can reduce or increase. Sorry, this is impulse, you can keep 0. Now this program is set for welding 0.5 plus 0.5 thick components. We will show you the welding of 0.5 plus 0.5 thick components. So this is 0.5 plus 0.5 SS component. You can keep the two pieces in between electrodes. Press the pedal. You will see welding taking place. This is how the welding takes place. So this is how it's welded. And this will not break. Now again we can go to schedule number 2 for selecting parameters for 1 mm plus 1 mm thick components. Press this, go to schedule number 2, make it off, go to program. So this is squeeze time that we have selected, only 1 cycle, because this is not a pneumatic machine, this is a pedal operated machine. So 1 cycle we selected as a squeeze time, that is not required at all. You can increase or decrease if you want, but 1 should be minimum. Then keep on pressing all 0, 0, 0 till you come to weld 2. This timing also we kept again 10 cycles. You can increase or decrease depending upon the thickness of the job to be welded. Next again when you enter you come to heat percentage. This is 80% we kept for welding 1 mm plus 1 mm thick MS and SS components. This also can be increased or decreased as required. Again keep on entering all 0, 0, 0 till you come to port. This can be kept 10 cycles. Similarly, you can increase or decrease. This is a 1 cycle we have kept. This is 0 cycle. Now this parameters are set for 1 mm plus 1 mm thick components. Now we'll show you the welding of 1 mm plus 1 mm thick components. See, this is how it's welded. Again, we can change the parameters front we kept for welding 1 mm plus 1 mm thick MS and SS components. This also can be increased or decreased as required. Again, keep on entering all 0, 0, 0 till you come to 4. This can be kept 10 cycles. Similarly, you can increase or decrease. This is a 1 cycle we have kept. This is 0 cycle. This parameters are set for 1 mm plus 1 mm thick components. Now we'll show you the welding of 1 mm plus 1 mm thick components. See, this is how it's welded. Again, we can change the parameters for welding 1.5 plus 1.5 mm thick SS components by pressing this schedule button. Go to schedule number 3, make this off, go to program. Here also again we have selected the squeeze time 1 cycle. Keep on entering till you come to weld 2. This again we have kept 10 cycles. You can again increase or decrease depending upon the thickness of the job. When you again press, you come to the heat percentage. This we have kept 65%. All 0, 0, 0. This is again the force time. Again, time is 1, impulse is 0. This program is set for 1.5 plus 1.5 mm thick components. For this, we can increase the tap from 4 to 5 by welding 1.5 plus 1.5 mm thick components. It's welded.